Like I told, hydrocarbons and carbon monoxide, and anybody knows CNG is a more cleaner and greener fuel. So the benefits of what CNG is available for other modes of transportation, whether it be bus, car, or three-wheelers, that's now getting translated to one of the most common man's vehicle, which is a two-wheeler, and that's the greatest benefit, from introducing this kind of product in the market. The trend generally has been 1.4 times for any mode of transportation. So the same trend, if you're getting about 50 kilometers per liter of petrol, it translates to about 65 to 70 kilometers per liter of CNG. There are certain values, intrinsic values, which are certified by ARA, and which well within the norms of emissions within CNG, and of course within the norms of petrol emissions. We haven't fixed the cost yet, we will do that, but in our own empirical calculations, the cost-benefit analysis, we've done about, you'll recover the cost of the kit in 10 months if you drive 50 kilometers a day. Of course, it's a revolutionary product, so we obviously see a huge surge in demand, and as an organization, we'll definitely want to, introduce these kits on a commercial mode also as early as possible, after the pilot phase is over. It's a dry fuel, but generally, traditionally, you can start it on dry fuel itself. There's no effect on wear and tear. It's been an accepted fuel for other modes of transportation. So that all the effort we're doing is just bringing it down to two-wheeler.